Hello everyone, and a very nice Sunday to you. I thought I'll show you a very tiny unboxing of an opening of a parcel that I just got. And it's from Nordic shaving company. It's simply something new that's going to be reviewed, showing to you. I'll just opening it right now. Alright. See, very nicely packaged, safe. So we got some soap, a soap, and some blades. Let's start with the blades, shall we? For upcoming shaves: Rapira blue, Swedish super steel, and Treet platinum. I don't know how many it is. It looks like a 10 pack. This, yeah, 10 blades. Whoops, don't forget not to drop it. And this looks like a five blades. Yes. And the last Treats, I think these are the black ones. Carbon steel, 10 blades. So that were the blades which we'll be using. And this is the soap. Nordic shaving company. Menthol and pine. Smells nice. So I'll be looking forward to somehow getting this a try. 100% natural. Also the package here, it's designed for recycling, and it's made with at least 60% recycled content, so that's very good. It's supposed to be menthol and pine scent. I do get that. 100% natural. Is it a vegan soap? There's no tallow in it, so yeah. Handmade in Finland. Also a tip that I just got: you could use some Vaseline. I just watched a YouTube video on it, and if you want your fragrance to last a bit longer, dump some here at the points where you want to apply the fragrance after shave, and then you simply put it on top, and it should last 5 times longer. And I don't know if that's true or not, but I'll be happy to test that out and see how it works. That's it for today. Nice Sunday to everyone. Stay safe. Goodbye.